Take command of the road in the 2013 BMW X3. With just over 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle is constructed with a discerning driver in mind. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Turbocharger technology provides forced-air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. BMW prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, power front seats, and remote keyless entry. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.